Hello students, in this video we are going to see another problem in indefinite integrals. The problem given is integral over 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta is equal to pi by 8 log 2. So we have to prove this integral value as pi by 2 into log 2. So we are going to use the property number 5 to solve this problem. As same in the last video I have explained a problem in the last video using the property number 5. Here also I am going to use that property to solve this problem. Okay, so here we have integrand value f of theta. In terms of theta they have given the value. So f of theta is log of 1 plus tan theta. So this is the integrand value given and a is equal to pi by 4 here. So property number 5 is integral over 0 to a. F of x dx is same as integral over 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So instead of x we have here theta. So in terms of theta we have to evaluate this integral. Okay, so integral over 0 to a f of theta d theta is same as integral over 0 to a f of a minus theta d theta is equal to I in வச்சுக்கலாம். இந்த வேல்யூ என்ன வச்சுக்கலாம், equal to I in வச்சுக்கலாம். So it is equal to I means, so you have I is equal to integral over 0 to a f of theta d theta and I is equal to integral over 0 to a f of a minus theta into d theta. Okay, so next we have to find f of a minus theta. We have f of theta here. From this you have to find the value of f of a minus theta. So f of a minus theta is equal to log of 1 plus, so here we have tan theta. So tan theta will become a minus theta. So tan of a minus theta அப்படின் மாறிடும். So log of 1 plus tan of a minus theta, here a is log of 1 plus tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So tan a minus b, formula for tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b is the formula for tan of a minus b. So here we have a as pi by 4 and theta as b. Okay, so you will get tan of pi by 4 minus theta is equal to, this value is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. So value of tan pi by 4 is 1. So you will get 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 into tan theta is tan theta. So you will get 1 plus tan theta is the value of tan pi by 4 minus theta. So here we have to find f of a minus theta. So f of a minus theta is equal to log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta. So tan pi by 4 minus theta is 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. So take LCM, so you will get 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus. So here you will get a log of this value 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. So tan theta will go off, so you will get 2 by 1 plus tan theta as the value of f of a minus theta. So f of a minus theta is equal to log of 2 by 1 plus tan theta. So in this problem we have the value of I is integral over 0 to a f of a d theta and I is equal to integral over 0 to a f of a minus theta into d theta. So value of f of a d theta is I is equal to integral over 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta is the given problem. Okay, so and the second I is equal to integral over 0 to a, we have found the value as log 2 by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. So here a is pi by 4. So we are going to add this 2i's. So adding, you will get 2I is equal to integral over 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta plus 2 by, here we have log of 2 by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. So log a plus log b can be written as log ab. Addition இருந்தால் எப்படி எழுதலாம், மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் எழுதலாம். So you will get 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta into 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. So you will get log 2. So log 2 into d theta. So log 2 is a constant term. So you will get a constant term. If you integrate, you will get a constant term here. So you can take it outside. So log 2 integral over 0 to pi by 4 here. Integrand of d theta is theta. So log 2 theta over the limit 0 to pi by 4. So you will get log 2 pi by 4 minus 0. So which is equal to pi by 4 into log 2. So in this side we have 2i. So 2i will carry on. So 2i is equal to pi by 4 log 2. So I is equal to pi by 2 into 4 log 2. So which is equal to, I is equal to pi by 8 log 2 is the value of the integral given. Okay, so we have proved the value which are same. Okay, thank you.